it breaks down its manure for plants.
Yeah, man, you can put it on plant, they grow coconut, they grow all the things, man.
So there's a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Bees can, not just honey.
Bees don't make more honey. No make all honey. Where the queen is, you know. The queen don't eat the honey when in there, you know.
Oh, okay.
You ever think in there when you have royal gel? You ever think in there when you have pollen? When you see the royal gel? In a US country. Where country you come from?
US.
US. In a US, you look royal gel something. Do you know how much money all in a France street, man?
What is it for? What do people use
The
it for?
royal gel look like mayonnaise. You see mayonnaise where you
Yeah.
write on bread?
Okay.
It looks the same way.
So what's it, if it's so expensive, why do people want it?